So if you want to automate your workflow using Google Tasks in 2026, yeah, you can actually reduce a lot of manual work by setting up smart habits and integrations that run in the background. First, use Gmail integration. When important emails arrive, convert them into tasks so you don't manually copy anything. Next, connect Google Tasks with Google Calendar. This automatically places your tasks into your schedule so you can see your day visually. Now, automate repetitive work using recurring tasks. Things like daily check-ins, weekly reports, or monthly reviews can repeat automatically. Next, create a habit of duplicating task templates. For example, a workday checklist you can reuse every morning instead of rebuilding it. Now, automate structure using subtasks. Every big task should automatically become a checklist of smaller steps so you always know what to do next. Add due dates to automatically organize your workload. This helps Google Calendar place tasks into the right time slots. You can also add tasks using voice through Google Assistant. Just say it, and it gets added instantly without typing. And that's it. Once you set up automation in Google Tasks, your system starts managing itself, and you just focus on getting things done.